Hey guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today we're going to be making Pak Choi, Baji and shrimp. Fried Pak Choi, Baji and shrimp. And for that we have our ingredients there. That's one pack of Pak Choi you can pick up in the store. We're going to be using some tomato, onion, garlic, pepper, scallions and our shrimp. We were using the small white belly shrimp as they're called in Guyana. And that's about all we need, so let's get started guys. So the first thing we're going to do is wash our Pak Choi Baji. And these vegetables that grow close to the ground, you want to wash them thoroughly because they tend to have sand in between the leaves. So you want to use a lot of water so that sand washes out properly. And you're going to cut off the tip of the stem like that. And you're going to cut off the tip of the So that's how you cut them up. So the stem of the Baji you want to cut very thin slices like this here, so because you want it to cook at the same time with the Baji, and the Baji won't take that long to cook, right? So it's important that you cut the stem very finely like that. So we've got everything chopped and ready to go, and we've added some oil here. Okay guys, our oil is hot and Molly's gonna add the seasonings. So it's time to add the shrimp now. And that was just raw shrimp that we added to the pan just like that without any oil or anything. And burn the water out from it. And that's what we've added there. And that's smelling good already, guys. That shrimp is smelling so good. And the seasoning and the scallions. We're gonna put in the Pak Choi. Salt to taste. And give that a good mix. So once you give this a good mix, you don't want to cover this and let it cook. Okay, just a few minutes. We're gonna give this a turn now. And it's looking good already, right? See that? Look like gonna go nice with some oil roti. And this goes good with rice as well. You can have this with anyone you wish. Anyone you like. So we're gonna cover it back again. So you're gonna taste for salt at this time and adjust if need be, and that's it. Your Pak Choi Baji is ready for your rice or roti. So that's it for Pak Choi Baji with shrimp recipe, guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.